In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily connect your Twitch to Amazon Prime account. All you have to need on your mobile phone, open a browser and open twitch.tv. And now go ahead and just sign into your Twitch account from your browser. Once you successfully signed into your Twitch account, now open a new tab on your same browser, and this time we have to search for Amazon Prime. And all you have to need, sorry for my mistake, we have to search for gaming.amazon.com, and you directly jump into Amazon Prime Gaming website. In here, tap on your profile photo at the top right and tap on sign in, and then you have to sign into your account using your Amazon account. So just go ahead and log into your Prime Gaming account. Once you successfully signed in, again tap on your profile photo, and this time tap on link Twitch account, and here tap on link accounts. And after that, your Twitch account will be connected with your Amazon Prime game. Thanks for watching.